Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a quick little simple meal with some leftovers, and oh yeah, stick around so you're gonna see what it is. So here it is. I've got some mango, bell peppers, cucumbers, and red onions and tomatoes diced up real small. And in this pot I did some barbecue ribs, and of course I just took the meat off the bone, put them in the skillet and let them heat through, and we're just going to make something real delicious out of this. And of course you can do this with a number of meat of your choice. You can do it with chicken, you can do it with pork, you could do it with your chicken breast or your rotisserie chicken. Just take the meat off the bone and do what you got to do. All right, so here it is. Because it was barbecue ribs, I added my barbecue sauce to the pan just to heat through along with the chicken, and I'm doing this under low heat. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that sweet and tangy sauce in there, just for that sauce to get through and to make everything all ooey and gooey, and real barbecue good. Because when you eat barbecue is just one of those meals that it's got to get all on your fingers and your lips and your face. Just make a good delicious mess. And that's what we're going to be doing. Well, not so much of a mess, but we're just going to be taking all of that delicious goodness and just making it savory, sweet, tangy, and we're all going to be putting that into a taco. So yeah, we're just going to be letting that do. And for me, I like a saucy barbecue, so I'll be adding just a little bit more of that sweet, tangy barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna let this go, let it heat through a little bit more, stir that in, make sure everything is well incorporated before we get to the other elements of our taco. And when I say other elements, you'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. All right, so we're just gonna let this go through and put a lid on it. So here it is. All of the mango, the bell peppers, the cucumbers, the tomatoes, all of that is right here in this bowl. So you can't see it, but I'm adding just a little sprinkle of sea salt. I want those natural juices from these items to come out, and although you could get the lime and do whatever, I want it from the salt. It will just pull out those natural juices effortlessly. And of course I put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there just for a little kick, and some dried parsley, and we're just going to make sure everything is incorporated, and that's all the seasoning I'm going to be adding here. It sounds simple, but I promise you, you want to taste the ingredients in this. And besides the barbecue by itself, it's just going to be another element to flavor in these great and delicious tacos. So I just want to stir everything, and of course you could taste for seasoning if you want to. If you want to add a little bit more or just not add anything, it's totally up to you. For me, salt, some cayenne pepper, and dried parsley, and that's it. So now in my skillet, now if you do not have a grill pan, or you could do it in the microwave, I just took my tortilla and I just put them in my cast iron pan. No oil, absolutely none, and I just wanted to toast them lightly on both sides for a few seconds, and that's all it takes. It may take a little, cooking, like I say, it's a labor of love, and you only taking a couple of seconds on both sides to get them heat through and toast it. And this is the end result: barbecue ribs tacos. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.